Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing this wig that was sent to me. It is called the Outre Converti Cap in the style Sparkling Belle in the color DR Chocolate Swirl. And this is what the packaging looks like. And then down here it just has a list of all the colors. I think my ring light is showing what am I trying to say? I think my ring light is making a glare. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, so let me just take it out the packaging. And also this is a half wig. I'm not sure if I said that yet, but this is a Converti Cap, which is their half wigs. So out of the packaging, this is what it looks like. Of course, you have your paper, your net that it comes in. Have your little packet. Okay, so this is what the card looks like. Beautiful chocolate woman on the front. And then inside it has care instructions, has different styles. She wore a headband, what is it called? A bang, and then half up, half down. And it just has, it just shows pretty much all the different styles you can wear this wig in. Yeah, pretty much. And then on the back, it has the specialty colors, which is listed along here. And if you hear anything in the background, that's my dog. He's currently sick right now. So he's been really like whiny and needy. So I had to take him out of his kennel. So if you hear him, I'm sorry. But this is what the wig looks like, and the color is beautiful. Oh my gosh, that's really pretty. And then this is what the inside looks like. So along the front band right here, it has 3 combs. It has 1 comb in the middle that's kind of long, and then 2 along the nape. Oh, I'm sorry, along the temples. Wow. And then 1 along the nape right back here. And it also has a drawstring, so in case you want to put it up in a ponytail or anything of that sort, you can use that to tighten it up. I'm not exactly sure where I got this wig from. I'm not sure if you guys are going to ask, but if I can find it, I will link it down below in the description box. I've had this wig maybe 2 years. I'm not exactly sure. And it is about maybe 18 inches. I don't know, but this is not about that, just in case you guys ask me. So I'm going to go ahead and plop this bad boy onto my head, and then I will come right back. Okay guys, oh my gosh, I literally just put it on my head. Like, I know I usually cut out the part where I put it on my head, but I'm gonna leave that part in so you guys can see. Wow, this is so cute. Like, this is giving me real spring summer vibes. I love this. Let me get close so you can see. So right here is the separation, I'm guessing, from the part, or from the bang, I'm sorry, to the hairline. Now I would suggest, yeah, because you can clearly see that. I would suggest putting like a headband right there, or like something right there to cover that line. Now if you big and bold, girl, you can go ahead and do what you want to do, but that's just what I would do. I did not cut this. I literally just plopped it on my head. I don't even think, yeah, I didn't even use the adjustable straps or the drawstring. I did not use that. The only clips I used was the front, the one in the middle, and then the 2 perimeter. but that is, oh my gosh, this is so cute. This will look like my hair if I actually give it a chance. This is really cute. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. Okay. So let me add this headband on. That is so cute. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Okay, so I just added this headband on and I kept the bang look. Now I'm not sure if this, I don't think it says anything about this is supposed to be a bang, but it's definitely giving me bang vibes. Like, I don't know. I feel like it would look weird without a bang. I don't know, but obviously you can wear it however you choose to. And look, whew, that's my wig cap. I had that wig on all day, but oh wow, this is so cute. This is so cute. Okay, next style, I'm just going to put this up. Okay guys, and this is the third look. I don't know how I feel about this one. I tried to do what the girl did on here, but I'm just not leaving my hair out because I have my hair in cornrows. So yeah, that wasn't gonna happen. So I tried, but honestly, I really feel like if you were to leave your front hair out right here and then pull it back into this bun, that'll definitely be cute. Oh my gosh, my words. But yeah, that's not cute. But I'm just going to take this back down and hopefully I'll be cute again. Okay, so just my initial review on this wig, Sparkling Belle. It is really, really cute. It's a really easy throw on and go wig. I would definitely suggest this for anyone who are big fans of headband wigs. So me in particular, I'm not really fond of headband wigs just because I keep my hair cornrowed most of the time. So it's really hard for me to have hair out. But if you are someone who prefers to have headband wigs, by all means, this one is really easy. Literally slap on and go. You guys saw me. It's so cute. There's so many different colors. I'm not sure if I said before, but the one that I have now is the Chocolate Swirl. And I'm gonna give you a close-up again The color is really, really, really beautiful. Now the hair is so soft, but as you can tell, the more you run your fingers through it, the more it's gonna get frizzy. But with me, or for me, with curly hair, I like for it to look frizzy because the more, and this is just my opinion, the more that it looks frizzy, the more realistic that it looks, especially for curly synthetic hair. But that's just something that I've noticed that works well for me. So to each their own. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say about this wig. Once again, I did not cut anything. I literally just put it on my head, fluffed it up a little bit, and picked apart some curls to give it a little bit more of a natural effect for me. So that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you want to see next. As always, spread love, not hate, and I will see you in my next one. Peace.